Hello guys, good morning. Today is English challenge. English challenge. So guys, I want to eat chocolate. So I have chocolate here. So now I take one. I have two. This from pasalubong. Pasalubong. English pala. This pasalubong to my sister. Ambot. So I get one. I get one. I think it's this one or the other one. This one. I don't know. But anyway, I try this. I try this. Mix it. So guys, I have another one. This guys. I don't know what is this, but I think it's Jack Links beef stick. Ayan. But this one I tried chocolate. Okay guys, this is English channel. So I open the light. Ayun. I'm in the kitchen. No. No. Masakit ang ulo ko. I never had this before, but I try now. Mananaba na tayo guys. English challenge. I feel so big now. So guys, I open. I open. Oh, wow. Love it. I'm going to show guys. I don't know. Oh, see, it's nice to design. My God. Nag-isip pa ng ano. Oh, I don't know how to tanggal. Matigas. Matigas pa to sa nakikita ko. Guys, matigas talaga siya kasi English challenge. It's very, ano ba sa matigas yung matigas. Guys, konti lang yung kakainin ko. No, it's small because, guys, I have a tonsil. So, if I'm eating to always sweets, my tonsil is coming soon. Coming soon. Because, guys, I'm scared to eat chocolates or sweets because my tonsil is coming soon. So, lalaway na ako. So, guys, this one, I tried. I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Kain kayo dyan. Ow! Tigas. Okay, guys. Only 4 because my tonsil is coming soon. So, that's enough you. It's really good in sweet corn. Oh. Huwag naman sana ako magka-tonsil guys. Pagod ako mag-English. Pagod talaga guys mag-English. Sa tulad kong magaling mag-English. Wala. Bagsak agad sa interview guys. Okay guys. Thank you for watching. Please support my page and heart or share. Charot. Thank you. Love you guys and God bless.